How to post on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can post on your WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, you'll click on that contacts icon at the bottom. By clicking on it, you will reach to this page. You'll select your profile. After selecting your profile, you will be directed to this page. Here, click on this little arrow next to Moments. Once you reach to this page, here you will see transparent camera icon. Click on this camera icon and you will be presented with two options, whether you want to take photo instantly or choose from album. Choose the one you prefer. If you choose from album, here select a photo you want to post and click on done. You will be taken to this page. Here you can either customize it further or just click on this post option at the top right corner. And there you go, you have successfully posted on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.